day one of converting my Ford Transit Connect into a mini camper. So we've got the left panel off, as you can see, and what we're going to do is, just to make sure we don't get confused, we're going to write down where each panel goes, so when I do the templates with the plywood I know exactly which one to put where. Who says you need to buy the most expensive hand tools? All you need is a fork. So what we've done is to get these little caps off. Obviously, as you've seen, we've used a fork. Sometimes it can be a bit awkward, so it's good to have a little Stanley knife next to you. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep these little caps in a bag just in case we need to reuse them later on. So next, what the plan is we're going to try and get out this cage. So usually it's a bulkhead, but I haven't really had a look how to get it out. I'm thinking it's just your bolts at the top there, and then obviously from inside, what is it? It's a little star thing. So yeah, let's see if we can get it out. And as you can see, we got it out. Yeah, I mean, it opens up a lot more room inside the van, I reckon. Yeah, so now move on to the doors, and then we can think about cleaning it. And we have our little helper for the day. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this off so that we can make sure there's no rust underneath. but it is attached to this, so I think it's just an Allen key. Right, so now that the van's just about gutted, what we're going to do is we're going to clean it, give it a proper deep clean, and but what the idea is, I think I'm going to take the seats out so I can make sure that everything's spot on, no dust left. Come on. To get the seats out, it's one of these that you'll need. I'll show you on the camera. A little star piece, and there's 4 bolts either side to get them out. Cleaning this van is taking a lot longer than I thought, but we're slowly getting there. As you can see, there's a few rust marks, but nothing a bit of rust converter can't sort out. Right, so we have just about finished the cleaning. All we've got left is the floor, and then we can move on to the rusting. Beautiful stuff. But for the time being, right, so the van is clean. So now, next step, what we do is we're going to sand off the little flaky rusty bits, and we are going to use, once most of it's sanded off, some rust converter. Just apply that with a paintbrush, wait till it sets, and then once that's finished, we can then use the Hammerite metal paint. Let's do this. can see, the rust converter is taking quite a while to dry. So what we're going to do is going to call it a day, and then in the morning, once it's dry, we can apply some paint and go on from there. If anybody has got any recommendations of what I should do regarding the electrics, because I'm not too sure whether before I insulate it I put the electrics in, or can I insulate it first and then put the electrics in. If anybody could let us know, that'd be great.